Castaway Cay. We're looking at the island. I'm so excited to get off on shore and go have fun in the sand and the beach. It's gonna be great. Good morning! Let's go get some breakfast.
Having breakfast at cabanas. Oliver's cutting his own pancakes. The little girl's got her bacon. We're actually got a nice view outside of the bay. So we're doing our own thing.
We're here at Castaway Cay getting our towels. So many towels. Hi, Mickey. Good morning, Mickey. You good? You see Mickey? Our gorgeous ship. Look how beautiful this is. Ah, what a great day for a birthday. Christmas decor.
Yay.
Nice. We found a duck. Someone hit a duck at the youth activities and the kids found it.
But even so, I would think,
She found a duck.
oh nice, they could.
The family beach is nice. Look at this. You guys are snorkeling, which I'm gonna go out there in a little while. Look at this family beach, is so nice. What's she gonna turn it over? Sister's making a castle. Oh my goodness! And destroyed. Oh, good. Oh no, Oliver! Your Mickey boat's floating away. How do you like the feel of the sand? It's so soft, right? Yeah. Different than Michigan sand for sure. Someone just learned that salt water does not taste like fresh water. Ooh, she's trying to take a whole mouthful. We smash him, brother! Get him! This is perfect. Yeah, you want to go? Oh, hi! Ooh. Ooh. Look, Mom. I like your Mickey boat. Yeah! Hi, Grandma. Cheers.
I should take this off. I'm going to end up with a.
I can get you. Got you. Hi. Yeah, that's it. Go, 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 go. The life. What a beautiful afternoon.
Hey, so I'm about to go snorkeling without contacts. My glasses won't fit in my full face mask thing. So let's see what I can see. And then maybe when I have my glasses out, I can see what I videotaped and I can see. So yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna head out there right now.
Matt almost drowned. Because, what was the problem?
Last time I was all clean here. I have a full face mask. This was letting water in. Even after I strapped it down to the point where it felt like hard, I was still getting water in. So if I am going to ever do snorkeling, I got to just do the goggles and the mouthpiece.
Yeah.
I can't do the full face because
No beard. No beard for him. Oh, he came back, he's like, I almost died. He said, almost died.
Ow, my brain!
Weather's starting to come in, so we're gonna start making our way back to the ship. And we got our feet cleaned off and our hands cleaned off, and got some more ice cream into us. And we are gonna be headed back to the ship to really just get rinsed off, cleaned up. They're gonna go back to the pool and we're gonna hang out. She hopefully will take a nap. If she doesn't, cool. We'll take it to the splash pad. Have a good time.
Yep, pretty much.
They're having a great time. I'm having a good time. You're so silly. Okay, we're gonna get a move on.
Parasailing, fly fishing, glass bottom boat, rigid hull snorkeling, troll fishing, bottom fishing, sandbar adventure, backcountry fishing, and adult snorkeling. If you did get a lot of sun today, be sure to keep lotion on your skin and keep drinking as a courtesy.
What a lovely day. Castaway Cay did great for us. You can already see that the island is a good portion of emptied out. A lot of people still out there, but it's 2 o'clock. We're back on the ship. Smells very heavily of diesel right on my balcony right now. So we're gonna close up our windows. Yeah, it's a really lovely day. It's really not too hot, not too cold. Everyone's in here. Oliver's watching the second Cars. Violet's kind of watching it too. Matt checks out what the drink of the day is. Always having a really good time and beautiful. Beautiful. And there's me. Hi. How you doing?
I remember this. I didn't know. Are you sure? 42. I remember it. I do. I know this. I can feel it. And I look at you.
Okay. Come on up.
We're at Frozen tonight, but they are not allowing any photography, so we won't be filming. But we got Big Man and Grandma.
Down by the stage, look.
Yeah. Ooh.
Captain Violet. Look at her go. All full. Yeah. Arr.
Frozen the musical spectacular was super fun. We had a great time. But Oliver, that was his very first play he's ever seen. He was really into it, really had a great time. So we had fun with it. It was exactly 1 hour, and I think that it's faster than the movie. They did a good job from what they had to do. I wouldn't say it's up to the caliber of what we saw for Beauty and the Beast. That was just spectacular, like truly spectacular. Like, it was really, really good. But it's 10 o'clock now, about 10:15ish, and we are getting ready for bed. I still have all my clothes on. I'm gonna get in some pajamas and get bedded down. The little girl's been asleep for about 2 hours now. Oliver's eating popcorn that he got from the show in bed, watching his tablet. So we are going to just chill. It's been a really relaxing day for the most part, kind of, sort of, somewhat, but the beach day was super fun. I'm all burnt. Look at this burn. Cheeks. They're pretty burnt. Castaway Cay was a good amount of fun. Little girl, she was fine, and then she wasn't, then she was fine again. She made it all the way through dinner. We went to Enchanted Garden tonight. I didn't do any filming because I was worried about Violet having a freak out again. She did a really great job this time. She had the whole meal. The moment I said, she was kind of started having a freak out because she didn't want to be there. I said, "Do you want to have pizza?" She was like, "Caesar? Caesar?" Because she goes, "Caesar?" And I said, "Yeah, then we're going to have some pizza." So we have that ordered for her for tomorrow night too. She loves the pizza. Tomorrow is Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point, which we've never been there before, so it's a totally new experience for us and everyone else. I was excited to see that. I think that kind of rounds out our day for our day 2 of our 4-night cruise. So with that being said, we'll see you guys on our next adventure. Bye.